Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Education Wings to Fly. In today's class, we are going to discuss about transfer of heat. Transfer of heat. Heat energy always flows from region of higher temperature to a region of lower temperature till both attain the same temperature. This phenomenon is called transfer of heat. The main ways by which transfer of heat occurs are conduction, convection, and radiation. Let us discuss one by one in detail. First, we will talk about conduction, then convection, and then radiation. Conduction is the transfer of heat from a hotter part to a colder part of an object due to the collision of its particles without actual movement of the particles from their position. So here one experiment is performed. So I'm going to show you how to perform this experiment. So the material which you require for this are metal rod, few nails, and candle. So let's see how to perform this experiment. First, we have to take a iron rod, and with the help of wax, we have to place few nails on this rod, and we have to heat it. Then we will observe that after a few minutes, the first nail will fall down due to the transfer of heat. And then after a few minutes, the second nail will also fall down. It shows that the heat is transferred from the source of light to this metal rod. This happens due to the conduction of heat. Conduction of heat occurs in the solid materials only, whereas the convection is the mode of transfer of heat which is seen in gases and liquids. So now students, we will talk about conductors. The objects that can allow the heat to flow through them are called conductors. For example, metals such as copper and aluminium. In the picture you can see a copper wire which is a good conductor of heat as well as the electricity. Insulators. The objects that do not allow the flow of heat from them are called insulators. For example, wood and plastics. In the picture you can see many more insulators like ceramics, rubber, wood, wool, cork, paper, glass are the few examples of insulators which do not allow the heat to flow through them. Convection. The transfer of heat in liquids and gases are called convection. The molecules of the liquid or gases that are near the source of the heat get heated first. They become lighter due to the heat and move upwards. The colder particles, being heavier, take the place, and this process continues until the whole liquid or gas gets heated. That is why the area above the flame of the candle always feel hot, but the area on the sides of the candle does not. Radiation. It is a process of transfer of heat in the form of waves. Radiation does not require a medium. It can occur in vacuum too. For example, the sun's heat reaches the Earth's surface through radiation. Every hot object radiates some heat into the environment. Hence, many times an object gets heated just by being near to a hot object. Sea breeze. The wind blowing from the sea towards the land is called
sea breeze. During the daytime, the land in the coastal area gets heated due to the sun's radiation. The sea also gets heated, however, it takes more time to get heated up than the land. Hence, the air above the land gets heated faster than the air above the sea. The hot air from the land rises above as it is lighter, and the cool air from the sea, being heavier, takes its place. This results in the sea breeze. Land breeze. The wind blowing from the land towards the sea is called the land breeze. During the night time, the land in the coastal areas gets cooled down faster than the sea. The air above the sea is hotter than the air above the land. Therefore, the air above the sea rises, and the air from the land, being cool, flows towards the sea. This results in the land breeze.